Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video we're going to unbox the USB-C to USB adapter. Now this is the original Apple product. I decided to go with the OG rather than going with the knockoffs, so let's get started with the unboxing. Let's see what else is in the box. We got some user guides, some manuals, some warranty. So let's keep that aside and let's have a look at the product and up and close. Now it's good build quality. So this looks really good. The cable looks it's quite flexible. It's good. There's a decent amount of flex into it. It's much better than the braided cables. Now I would highly recommend you go for the original Apple adapters, because I've heard that a lot of the knockoffs, they don't work, and they stop working after a few months of use. So that was the unboxing of the Apple USB-C, basically USB-C to USB adapter. So thanks for watching, and let me grab my MacBook Pro so I can actually give you a full-on Alright guys, so there you go, that's my MacBook. And let me keep the knife aside, because knives are dangerous for a dangerous piece of equipment. Alright, so this is the USB-C port, and this should plug in nice and easy. Alright, so that's pretty good, and obviously you can attach your keyboard, mouse, or USB drive, USB 3.0, USB 2.0 drive. And yeah, it's pretty good quality, and it's not too big. It's easy to carry around. Build quality is good. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, do subscribe, and peace out.